Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and I'd like to show you guys my 40-piece silverware set. I purchased this silverware set because I was using the same set for years and my old set began to look dull. So when I saw that I could purchase a set that had a mirror effect to it, I jumped on it and I'm glad I did. That is my favorite thing about this silverware set is that mirror effect, which I think makes it look modern, classy, and elegant. What I also love about this silverware set is just because it's a beautiful set doesn't mean that you are compromising on the quality. This silverware set is so sturdy and it has a great weight to it. Not to mention, I can throw it in the washing machine and not worry about them falling apart in there. I love using this silverware set. I love using it for my guests. So I'm super happy with this set. And that's my point of view.